Then I did Imtiaz Sir's short film. Then I
Why do
did
you guys call them sir and all when they're not even in the room? I get
It's
scared.
habit.
Yeah?
I
Do they
don't
like
think,
being called sir? A lot of people
I
don't.
don't
I
think
hate
so,
it.
but I can't call him Imtiaz just out of
Why?
my sheer respect for him. I don't know.
But why is it disrespect to call him by his first name?
It's not disrespectful. It's just habit,
I used to call my dad by his first name all the time.
which is absolutely
Yeah,
fine.
there was no disrespect. I respected
Yeah,
him a
of
lot.
course.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just habit for me, right?
Imtiaz, I'm not calling you sir. In fact, I'm going to call you Imti. I feel that I don't need to say the full name. I'm old enough. Please, in cricket, we put the no ball rule whenever you fail.
Because Imti is so much shorter than Imtiaz.
How lazy. Okay, she got me. One love, Shreya. Okay, so short film with him then?
Then another short film with Sikhya, Guneet Monga.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, her company.
Oscar winning. Oh.
Oscar winning, yes, absolutely.
She's been on the podcast.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I love her as well. And then Bandish Bandit season 1.
Yeah.
I actually met Anand, my director, at an ad fitting. He was also part of
For
the same
clothes, you
campaign.
mean?
Yeah. For the fittings of we were part of the same campaign, and I just walked up to him because I'd watched some of his work, and I was like, I really enjoyed it, blah blah blah. And then he asked me to audition for Bandish Bandits, so I was kind of at the right place at the right time, maybe.
And that goes into 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now the second season has released,
Yeah.
and.
So at the moment, you're on the OTT platform which is running. You're on the second OTT platform which is running, and then you go and get Mehta Boys,
Yeah.
which is Boman Irani's debut as a director.
Yes.
But considering if you know him, he tells you what to do all the time in a sweet way.
Not really. I had a very different.
You haven't heard Boman lecture? I have got my best sleep when Boman starts telling one of those lecture stories.
I don't
Boman's
think
very entertaining. That side is there. He can
Yeah,
make you
yeah,
laugh
yeah.
all day,
Yeah.
impressions and all that. And then he can get serious. When Boman gets serious, for me, it's like immediate. It's worse than my wife talking.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's.
No, I think I'm being very mean because I've obviously seen a serious side of him because he's directed me. But I
So tell us what it was like.
It was amazing. It was phenomenal.
What is Mehta Boys?
The best time of my life. So Mehta Boys is actually a story that has been with Baman sir for a couple of years, almost close to a decade
Bums.
now.
Bums.
Yeah, I
Empty.
could never
Bums.
even
Nas.
in
Anu.
In fact, Zenobia, ma'am,
What?
hates me calling her ma'am. She'll always be like,
No
call me
woman likes
Zen
to be
or
called
Zen.
ma'am.
Yeah, but it's just, and literally, I would try.
A few
and
men like to be called ma'am, but we're not in that shit right now. We'll
Okay,
just,
anyways.
Well, what do you
so
call her,
now
Zenobia?
I do call her Zen.
Now you call her Zen. That's
Yeah.
too much.
Even
Now
Shiva
you're like,
ma'am.
you grew up in the
Even
same.
Shiva Chadda, Shiva ma'am is like,
Yeah.
call me any. She's like,
Shiva hates it. We just had her on.
She hates it. So
Yeah.
she's Sheebs. So they, like it's.
There's a few liberties. My Imti is not that bad here. Same school, it looks like.
But yeah, Shiva, Sheebs, same thing. It's just very difficult.
So
for me to call.
bombs. Huh.
Yeah, so Baman sir, basically, I drifted there. Don't be mean, okay? I just went with
Okay,
the flow.
fair. Huh.
You're just getting, now we're 1-1.
No, it's
You
cool.
got back
It's
at
cool.
me.
So Baman sir,
So he had this-
story. Huh?
Yeah, so he had this, basically the story with him for about 8-10 years.
Yeah, this is true.
And he's written it himself,
Yeah.
and his co-writer is
Alex.
the writer of Birdman, Revenant, Alexander, sir, who's won an Oscar as well.
Yeah. Surname
And,
is very difficult to pronounce.
Yeah, it is. So
We'll
I
leave
will
it
not
there.
attempt
We are
it. Right?
desis.
I don't
We
want
have
to
our
mess
limits.
it up.
Even with teleprompter, that would take half an hour.
Dinalaris, if I've not said it.
How do you say it?
Dinalaris?
Dinalaris or something. Yeah.
Please forgive me,
Yeah, really.
Alex.
Because it stays forever. Huh.
But yeah, for posterity.
Yeah.
That's the scariest part, I think.
No, but he's a huge, for those who don't know, he's like
Yeah,
huge.
he's won an Oscar.
Oscar and
for his-
top of the line films.
Yeah,
Plenty
yeah.
of them, yeah.
So it was for me just to audition for this film and then to know that Bouncer was also going to direct it. So when obviously I landed the part and we had to workshop thoroughly, right? Because Bouncer was also acting in the film. So he was very meticulous, and I'm not joking. This was one set where every day I've seen people walking in and walking out with a smile on their face because it's a trickle-down effect, right? Bamanso knew every technician, anyone who's a part of
He's fantastic.
everyone's names.
He knows, do you know that, did you know that about him? He doesn't forget a person.
He does not.
And you know who else did that in their lives?
Who?
Napoleon.
I mean,
Napoleon is very popular with the troops because he knew everybody by name.
commonality, yeah.
And
it
that's
takes,
not,
it's not
I don't know anybody
easy.
else who does that.
Same. My dance teacher told me she was a dance assistant on a project that Baman sir did.
Yeah.
And she came for half a day and he bumped into her somewhere at the airport and he said, "Hi Dimple, how are you?"
It's like some mad genius, you know. He doesn't forget a
and
person.
he made her day, you know what I mean? So that's the atmosphere he created on set.